Okay, guys, so we're here back in the trenches again, showing you how to make money or how to lose money with 100% honesty so you don't have to waste your time here. So, when you see a weird chart like this, I honestly prefer not to trade them because they don't look legit. It just looks like there's very few people trading it, which is very dangerous. It's just wash trading. So, this brain OS thing, I don't like it. But you never know. The crypto stuff is crazy, so it's always good to take a look. So here we're taking a look. As we can see, the buy volume and the sell volume is 3.4K, which is insanely small. Very, very small. Only 40 people at best. So we'll pass on this one. I don't see it going anywhere other than down. Probably something better is gonna show up very soon. Then there's Penguin, which looks like total wash trading because if you guys take a look over here and see what I'm talking about, you're gonna see that there's really not a lot of people trading this thing. And the chart just doesn't look legit. For some reason, it looks somehow forced. Like they're just buying and selling it in a forceful way, in a synthetic way. So I'll pass on this one too. I don't see a lot of volume here either, so that's not cool. So passing on this one, let's move on to the next, guys. So we got Penguin AI. That's the chart that looks weird, doesn't look realistic. It's hard to explain what's going on. It's probably bots trading. So let's go over here. Okay, geez. So here we got another super sketchy one. And this one is basically, I'm not even looking at it. That's just messed up. Guy has 167 followers. Not even paying for this. But he can pay I can pay for a few $1 million to pump this thing to $10 million, which sounds really sketchy. Probably a flash loan with a bunch of bots and stuff. Really doubt it's legit. So skipping that crap. We got Valentine's. Valentine doesn't even have data, which sucks. So here we got, okay, geez. So we got Ana Destierro, which is trending again. And it's this chick over here, which you can see why she's trending. She doesn't look bad. She looks pretty good. So that's pretty much why she's trending. We all know why we're here. And yep, that's pretty much a bunch of beta males craving this chick, which she looks good, but that like throwing $1 million at her, it's not even at her. So so this is crazy. It's a community takeover. The Dex is paid, so there's a fair chance this is gonna pump again, which is great because it did go to 4 mil. I just don't like this penguin. It's too suspicious for me. And the brain OS thing, no liquidity here, so I'm out of that one. Let's go back to Ana Destierro. See what's going on here, guys. So the chart's going crazy. So even after the DEX is paid, we see right here that there's more selling pressure. So I'm ditching this. I lost 7% here, so I'm not even going to look back at this. I'm just going to leave it there as watching and continue with my life to the next trading pair. Let's duplicate this thing. The penguin thing looks okay, but it's just the spreads. It's just not good enough, I guess. 1%? So what are these people making less than 1%? It's nuts, right? That's just nuts. Totally nuts. Okie dokie, so closing this one, going on to this one. Destierro, we know that's a mess. Hot mess. Dudes, beta males are into, and they're wasting their money and time into it. 3.4 mil on BrainOS. That's crap. Penguin AI, total crap. Like saying dog AI. Ton of crap in the trenches, and let's see what this is. Game Boy Pump. Haven't taken a look at this guy yet. Let's see if there's any value here, guys. I highly doubt. See what's really going on here. So I'm gonna grab a sticker, stick it off here. Come on, G. Game Boy Pump. Let's see what's up. So it looks kind of okay. Looks like it's stop blasting. If I get in there, it looks like I'm already at the top and I'm just gonna lose money. So this is pretty much it. See what's going on here with this Game Boy crap. Another scammy little crypto project. I don't think this guy's legit. This is probably AI generated. I really wonder if he's legit. Let's take
launched.
a look.
Hey guys, I'm Dylan. Tragic. I'm the dev of the Game Boy that got launched on Pump.fun, and I just wanted to come on here and say a couple things. First of all, this is a token with no utilization. It's just a fun little project that I launched that I was working on, and a friend of mine said that I should make it a meme coin, so I did. And I only own 1% of the supply, so this is no PvP stuff. It's just for the love of the game, basically. And again, to be transparent, I did break it earlier, and I need a new part to get it working again. So it's actually not currently even working. I was able to launch it, and then I broke it. So again, invest accordingly. What would they say? It's a gamble, right? But I'm the dev. I'm here to stay. I'm holding that 1%. Maybe I'll do some airdrops with it or something. I don't know. But I'm going to do a lot of cool projects like this in the future too. So please follow me at my @tragic account. And again, yeah, just I see it here going up. And it's like, I really just want to say, guys, like, invest at your own risk. I'm not here to rug, but like, this token has no utilization. It's just for fun. So please, I just don't want anybody to get mad at me. I literally can't rug it. So yeah, guys, enjoy. Thank you.
Okay, so we sold the dev wallet. I'm holding 1%. My
Hey
secondary
guys, I'm
wallet, I
Dylan.
only profited 1,200. So please don't say it's a rug. Of course, I'm going to take some small profits on my coin. Again, please do not buy this coin expecting to get rich. It has no utilization. So guys, honest, I don't like that. I kind of want to follow that because it seems like it's legit. So going back out of this tierra, yeah, whatever. So the story of this chick is just that she got deported, and the beta males are pouring millions of dollars and betting on this news, basically. And that's it. Just sucks. So basically, that's it. And there's the Game Boy thing here. You see more sell pressure than buy, so that's goodbye, sadly, because kind of a cool project, but he was really honest. He said he was going to dump it, so why even bother? So, continuing, honestly wonder what did actually break, because you can't break a token. So what is he even talking about? You can't break a token. You can't really uh mess it up because you can't even touch the code. You just press a button and it's launched automatically nowadays. So shouldn't even call them developers because they're not really even writing code. So that kind of makes no sense. So kind of like this guy seems honest. Continuing, Ana Destierro, that's probably gonna dump very soon. You can take a quick look at it, see how it's going, but I don't think it's going anywhere. And this seems like it's holding up a little bit more. And let's look at Ana Destierro again. This is Ana Destierro, but chart is going nuts. I just lost 7%. Always do quick losses and small wins so you can stay profitable. This is crap. Goodbye. And yep, this is all over the news and stuff. I'm gonna join this. Be kind, be respectful, blah blah blah. So I'm guessing they want to help her because she got deported because she wasn't legal in the US and stuff. And that's my case, pretty much. Support Anna, she's hot. That's it. And there's a trillion billion women that look just like her in South America. A lot of them are not very nice, but some are really good. So I married one, so you do you. So this guy's just trying to make money off of this news, and it seems kind of risky. I guess they're trying to help her and stuff. Let's keep watching that as it unfolds. And Slurf Season 2. This is so shitty that the shard's not even working. So, welcome to the trenches, guys. This is the trenches, the real trenches. Video's already too long. White History Month. So, yeah, we had recently today Black History. Now we got White History. Shard was too racist, so I guess they took it out. No, I'm just joking. This is totally uncensored and a little whack. Alpaca, which is some crazy animal regarding basically uh Bitcoin. Somehow they want to give an animal to Bitcoin. Yeah, it's that crazy. 485 Valentine's. But that was somehow trending. It's mostly all crap. So for some reason this is trending. People like to trade super risky crap like this. 56% chance of a dump because the top 10 holders are holding it. So that sucks. 29% pump, 22% sell, but what can you expect out of this? It's already at the top. So what would you even trade? Why would you even trade this crap? So I highly doubt it will go higher because it's already here. So that's really unlikely. And the amount of people that can dump and take your money is horrible. So I'm skipping. So earlier today, there was some good action in Ana Destierro, and everything else is crap. So nothing to see here. Worky, what on earth is that? Uh, Bloot. It sounds like I'm Groot, so it doesn't even have a Twitter account, so why even bother with that crap? these guys are helping her just because she's hot, which is quite sad. Worky, we got Worky. Let's see what that is. Okay, so it's some type of joke. Worky Rich. Um, I don't even know what to say about this, so I'm just gonna look elsewhere, pretend I didn't see anything. And that wraps it up, guys. That's it for now. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys learn a little bit about the trenches. They mostly suck. You gotta be in every 10 minutes if you want to catch in on the good stuff, the ones that make you a millionaire most of the time. It's just really weird stuff you want to pretend you never saw. And that's it for now. Thank you so much, guys.